So, guys, in this video, we are going to talk about Government of Tamil Nadu Teachers Recruitment Board Assistant Professor Human Resource Development position. Okay, how you can prepare for this exam, which was the notification for which was out in March 2024, and exam is expected in few weeks, in few months. So the whole preparation plan is divided into two parts. First, there will be a printed, concise booklets that we are going to send to you, sent at your doorstep through delivery. These books will be like this. ठीक है? So these are the books जो आपके सामने डिस्प्ले हो रही है. So this book will provide you a quick revisions of all the topic that you want to do. ठीक है? As you can see, these are concise booklets. Secondly, we will enroll you to our learning management system. ठीक है? So this learning management system will look like this. तो देर आर डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स जो कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, जैसे बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट ओबी, जैसे इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशंस, लेबर लॉस, एचआरएम, लेबर वेलफेयर एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है? Now, let me also provide you disclaimer here that we are going to provide courses for your domain knowledge, that is HRD, as well as national current affairs. We are not going to provide you courses for Tamil language. ठीक है? So when I go to a particular keyword, अब मेरा सवाल ये है कि मैं उस कीवर्ड के लिए कैसे तैयारी करूं. For example, if I go to the topic of industrial relations or rather labor laws, so how will I prepare for this? So when I go to the industrial relations, there are different topics जो आपके सामने डिस्प्ले हो जाएंगे. Industrial relation approaches and concepts, evaluation, conflict and dispute resolution, and so on. So these are the chapters that needs to be studied within the keyword of industrial relations. ठीक है? Now let us try to see how a particular keyword has been covered or how a particular keyword should be studied with us. ठीक है? So for example, I go to the trade unions topic and there are three things that has been displayed. Trade unions class on trade union, descriptive book on trade union, as well as quiz. So when I go to the class, you are going to cover classes by classes for each topic. Okay, so this is not some definition based class or keyword based class. This will provide you a complete conceptual understanding of the topics. Okay, so when I go to the trade union class, it will be of 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, secondly, there will be a descriptive books. So also you have some concise booklet, but since your exam is also subjective in nature, you need have some you need some descriptions related to the topics. Okay, for example, when I go to the trade union topic, you can see it is beautifully nicely covered in the form of table of content, right? You can see there are also diagrams that has been added at relevant places. Okay. Third, when you are done with the class, when you are done with the book, you are going to do some practice questions which are MCQ based, since you have also MCQs in your exam description. ठीक है? एग्जाम स्कीम. तो जैसे आपने ट्रेड यूनियन का टॉपिक इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशन में ट्रेड यूनियन कवर किया, यू आर गोइंग टू कवर ईच एंड एवरी कीवर्ड ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशन इन द सेम मैनर, as well as each and every keyword of the syllabus when it comes to the domain knowledge. For example, let me also show you. When I go to the labor laws, there are different labor laws that need to be studied. When I go to the Factories Act, the same structure will be there. There will be a class, a detailed class, there will be a descriptive book, a detailed descriptive book, and there will be some quizzes for your MCQ based practice. Okay, so that is how you are going to cover these topics. Now, there is also an option for you to take 1 day free trial of this course, and you can see from yourself how you are going to prepare with human Peritas. If you are convinced, you can go to the website directly and enroll with us for this exam. Do let us know for any further query. All the best.